Hello everyone, this is Vivek Bajaj. I'm here in this video to talk about a sector which has potential to give us a lot of money making opportunities in the market right now. The sector which has been in downturn, and now it clearly looks like this sector is ready for a long-term upturn. The sector which I want to talk about today is real estate and home building sector. Why I want to talk about real estate? Because the sector has seen the recovery, especially after the pandemic. The pandemic which struck us in March 2020. तब से लेके अब तक ये सेक्टर ऑलरेडी रिकवर कर गया. ऑब्वियसली मार्केट रिकवर किया है तो सेक्टर इज ऑल्सो रिकवर्ड, स्टॉक्स हैव ऑलरेडी गॉन अप. बट द क्वेश्चन इज कि क्या वो रिकवरी इस सेक्टर के स्टॉक्स में जो आई है, क्या वो यहां से बरकरार रहेगी, एंड कैन इट गिव अ नेक्स्ट super cycle bull run and participate as a leader in this super cycle bull run. अगर मेरी माने, मुझे लगता है कि this sector has the potential of becoming the leader in this next leg of bull run which we are already witnessing. इस सेक्टर को अगर आप देखें, this is a chart of BSE Realty Sector Index. 2011 के बाद ये सेक्टर कंटिन्यूसली डाउन साइकिल में रहा. Every time it tried to go up, there was a correction because somewhere the overall environment in the economy plus regulatory environment in the governance, a lot of regulatory changes happened and overall trust in the system for real estate builders were quite low. Plus the interest rates were also not as low as it is right now. Right now people are saying कि 5.5%, 6%, 5.5%, 6% में आपको home loan मिल जाता है. In fact, I'm very proud that so many associates in my company have actually booked homes because of the low cost of funding which is available right now. तो मुझे लग रहा है overall जो environment है, now it's a very structured and regulated industry. Overall interest rates is quite low. The possibility of a major super cycle in real estate is definitely possible. So you see the real estate index is now crossed the previous swing high, which clearly suggests that yes, this sector may be one of the sector where serious money will try to get in. Obviously, sector has recovered from lower levels, but who knows that this can become the leader and continues to go up as it went up in previous super cycle. Well, you can see the sector index is performed like madness in till 2008 when the crash came. But definitely this time it may not go to that level, but कहीं ना कहीं लग रहा है कि at least 2009 का जो हाई बनाया था, which is still 2 times of the index value right now, possibly कि वो हाई वापस से ये टच कर पाए. If real estate sector does well, the home building sector will also go good. Different ancillary industries around the real estate sector will do good. So अगर आप evaluate करना चाहते हैं कि which stock could be a potential winner in this, so first of all आप sector में जाके real estate को search करिए. So if you go to real estate, you will be able to see the companies जो real estate में हैं based on the market capitalization. You can check इनका price earning multiples क्या है, इनके overall return on equity क्या है. Based on these companies and some financials, you can make an assessment. Plus, you obviously read the chart to make an assessment that whether these stocks are strong stock or weak stock. And you obviously want to enter the strong stock in the market. उसके अलावा real estate stocks, direct stocks के अलावा just type construction. आप कंस्ट्रक्शन में देखोगे तो देयर इज समथिंग कॉल्ड कंस्ट्रक्शन सेक्टर विच इज the ancillary industries related to the real estate sector, where we have ceramic, marble, granite, saniware, cement and construction, laminates, glass, wooden products. Each and every sector has potential to grow with the real estate sector growth. So what you need to do is go to each and every sector, industry, figure out the stocks which are there in this industry, use stockage for that. It is very nicely presented. Go and do your chart study and see the stock which is strong and try to build your position in that stock. जो stock strong होगा उसी में पॉसिबिलिटी है कि आप अपना पोजीशन को बिल्ड करेंगे तो आपको बड़ा पैसा मिल जाएगा. अब कैसे आइडेंटिफाई करें कि कोई स्टॉक स्ट्रांग है कि नहीं? चलिए एक एग्जांपल लेते हैं. Let's go to this segment called ceramic, marble, granite or sanitary ware, which is basically a support to the real estate sector. सेरा, जिसको मैं काफी दिन से डिस्कस कर रहा हूं, इट इज वन ऑफ दोज होम बिल्डिंग सेगमेंट में आप देखिए द स्टॉक एवरी टाइम इट गिव्स अ ब्रेकआउट इट शोज द स्ट्रेंथ एंड व्हेन देयर इज करेक्शन इट स्टिल शोज द स्ट्रेंथ एंड द स्टॉक रिकवर्स व्हेन द स्ट्रेंथ इज कंटिन्यूड. ये सब जो स्टॉक्स हैं जो ओवरऑल थीम में सेट बैठते हैं कि हाँ होम बिल्डिंग सेगमेंट अच्छा है, रियल एस्टेट सेगमेंट अच्छा है और उनमें जब जब मुझे स्ट्रॉन्ग स्टॉक्स मिलेंगे करेक्शन पे तो मैं उनको पार्टिसिपेट करूंगा. इफ यू फॉलो दिस process of identifying stocks and participating in the stocks, you will definitely emerge as a winner. So summarize करते हैं कि रियल एस्टेट सेक्टर में पोटेंशियल है, एक लंबा साइकिल को वो अपटर्न पे जा रहा है, तो उसमें स्टॉक्स आइडेंटिफाई करना बहुत ज़रूरी है. आइडेंटिफिकेशन का प्रोसेस मैंने आपको पुराने वीडियोस में सिखाया. अगर आपने नहीं सीखा है तो प्लीज़ मेरा लर्न टू ट्रेड देखिए, यू विल बी एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट प्रोसेस. आइडेंटिफाई करिए, वॉच लिस्ट में डालिए, अगर स्टॉक में प्राइस एक्शन हो रहा है पार्टिसिपेट करिए. रियल एस्टेट एंड होम बिल्डिंग और ओवरऑल कंस्ट्रक्शन, ये सेक्टर अभी आने वाले दिनों में और पॉजिटिव रहने की काफ़ी उम्मीद है. उम्मीद ही कर सकते हैं हम, काफ़ी उम्मीद है और उसमें से स्टॉक आइडेंटिफाई कर रखा है, उसमें पार्टिसिपेट करना वुड बी अ सेंसिबल चॉइस. I hope you like this video. This video was more about the process and giving you an idea about a sector. I hope you appreciate this work and I hope you share my work to other people. And if this is the first time you have joined my channel, you can share my work by subscribing and then sharing my activities. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Take care.